We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a gorgeous example of a 1972 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, 502 Ramjet, fuel injected, GM Performance crate engine, ceramic coated headers, factory AC, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, lift. Just a stunning, stunning example. Arguably the most desired year, the 72, last year of its body style. Just nicely done. All the chrome trim bright work on it is very nice. Did see a tiny chip right there. We will touch that up. Underneath is done. It's a frame off restored vehicle. Got 18-inch raceline wheels, 35 by 12.5 Toyo tires, rough country suspension. 502 emblems. All the lines on the truck are really nice. Paint is fantastic. Got a great shine, mirror-like reflection. Dash is great. And all the chrome trim bright work is exceptionally nice on it. Seals around the windows are great. Again, all the body lines are really nice on the vehicle. Underneath is like the top. Shows extremely well. Ceramic coated headers, new steering box. It's got the Dana 60 in the front. It's got a 14 bolt rear end. Worn hubs. Just nicely done. It's got the bucket buddy seat where you've got bucket seats with a fifth passenger in the front, which you can make into like a bench, so you'd have 3 separate seats in the front. It's basically like 3 bucket seats that turn into a bench seat if that's what you wanted. Underneath of the doors, fantastic. Upgraded sound system, Alpine. It's got some Infinity Boston acoustic speakers. David, hold this right here, will you? There we go. Sorry about the poor quality of video. But back seat's nice. Seat belts. You got 5 seat belts, so. See how it is. You got basically 3 bucket seats in the front, or flip that up and it turns into a bench seat. neat. There's our 14 bolt disc brakes, just super nice. This killer blazer. Just nice. I said the top has been redone. Door panels are extremely nice. Underneath the doors. Door jams, tilt wheel, full gauges, factory AC. Again, most of you know, but this is a removable hard top. So we will roll the windows down and take it for a ride. Pictures will be about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. If you want to fly in, we're more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your itinerary. St. Louis International, Lambert International, one in the same airport. We're more than happy to pick you up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses, look at any vehicle of your choice. We encourage inspections, professional inspections. We have a lift. Take them for a ride. Feel what you're buying. If you'd like to talk to somebody in person, you can call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Be more than happy to talk to you. Again, please like and share the video. Follow us. Subscribe to our channel here on YouTube.